Friday, the 4th of July, so I thought I'd take y'all with me for a little 4th of July long weekend and see what we get up to. I've just been getting some housework done, made a coffee, did my Bible study. So yeah, just getting things done around the house this morning, and then I'm hoping for the sun to come out so we can have a little pool day layout and maybe read a book. Yeah, I just thought I would film and do something fun this weekend, and yeah. Thanks for watching, stay tuned, and happy 4th of July. Oh, also, let me show y'all. Oh, I'm so sorry. I decided to be a little festive for the 4th of July, so let me show y'all my outfit. We got red shorts going and this hoodie. So, festive for the 4th, and yeah, just hang out, spend the weekend with me. Laying outside now, getting some sunshine for a little bit. Got my Kindle and gonna read, listen to music, just hang out by the pool for a little bit and relax. We are at the club and we're gonna get some dinner and hang out, watch fireworks. There's lots of fun little, what would you say?
Carnival rides?
Yeah, little carnival activities and blow-ups and all that, so. Happy Saturday.
You gave me a heads up.
Happy Saturday. Last night we watched the fireworks at the club and then we drove around and just saw fireworks everywhere. It was super pretty and cool. And then went to bed. This morning we've had a slow morning. I had some coffee, made him pancakes, made me eggs and toast, and just kind of relaxing. I got fried by the pool yesterday, so I've been soaking in aloe and oil and trying to heal. But now we're finally getting out of the house and we're stopping at Joe's Farm and a few other local markets to pick up some groceries and goods for the week. Grocery shopping. I got some goods. Then we came home, unloaded. I went for a walk with the dogs and it was super hot, so it was a shorter one today because they were not having it. Now we are going to pick up my mother from the airport and go to dinner. So, happy Saturday. Yeah.
I don't know why it's happening. Did you do a haul for what you got at the store?
Eggs, milk, sourdough starter, and blueberries. I think that's all I got. Okay. Yeah. And a coffee. Okay, peace.
Stop.
Good morning, happy Sunday. Well, I guess afternoon now. We've had a slow morning at the house, eating some breakfast, having lots of coffee. Now Tyler is trying the rainbow nut butter birthday cake peanut butter. It's made in Oklahoma. We found it yesterday. He's trying it. What do you think?
It's really good. Okay, hello.
Take a bite. What's your rating?
8 out of 10.
What does it taste like?
A birthday cake, really.
But anyways, you would have seen last night Tyler threw me in the pool.
Oh.
And we ended up swimming for a little while. And that was fun. And then we watched a movie and just hung out. And then, yeah, this morning we've just had a slow morning until later on we are going to go golfing. Yay.
You would have seen Riley throw water on my face and then try to throw me in the pool.
Anyways, happy Sunday. We are just, like I said, having a little cozy Sunday and enjoying the day before the week ahead. So we will take y'all along for the rest of our Sunday. Golf, that should be an experience. But anyways, cheers. That's hot. I recommend the Ember mugs. They keep your coffee warm all morning. Not sponsored. Costco time. Okay, we just went to Costco, so I'm gonna give y'all a haul of what I got. Salmon, some smoked salmon, Kevin's teriyaki style chicken, Kevin's ginger beef,
A pack of Kirkland golf balls.
Kevin's beef and broccoli stir fry, ground beef, clock chicken breast sticks, the fatty jalapeno mini sticks, chomps of course, these jackfruit chips. Let me put y'all on. Let me just give you a sneak peek of what it looks like. What? Airy and crispy, it's delish. And then I got some Purely Elizabeth granola, strawberries, and avocado. Probiotic kombucha, Aveeno fragrance-free lotion, I'm an eczema girly. Anyways, that's my Costco haul. So yeah, we're gonna put this away and then get ready to go play golf in just a little bit. See y'all on the golf course. Okay, we just got back from golf. Yeah, we played 9 holes and then ate some dinner. It was a great round. How'd you feel?
It was okay. Not my best round.
Tyler?
Not my best round.
I had a great round, so anyways. But then we got some dinner and then, yeah, we're home. We're gonna watch a movie, hang out, chill. Bye! I just found my new favorite jeans from this brand, Cool and Bear. And I got this straight fit. Some are high rise, some are mid rise, full length. And so, yeah, I'm gonna do a little try on haul and show y'all. It's Monday now, but I just wanted to hop on and say thank you guys so much for watching a little fun 4th of July weekend in my life. And I hope you enjoyed. It was just kind of a chill, fun, at-home weekend holiday. So yeah, it was good to relax and just hang out with some good people. But anyways, start to a new week, and so yeah, gonna have a productive week ahead and hope y'all enjoyed this video, and hopefully I will have more soon. But thanks for watching and tuning in and hanging out with me. Love ya.